up, guys? I'm Joseph McMahon. This is my brother, Breezy McMahon. And today in this video, we're gonna show you how to drive stick. He's never drove stick before, and I had to buy this old reliable, not knowing how to drive stick. So two things I realized. They don't have good videos on YouTube of how to drive stick or standard. And second of all, this is getting my brother out the comfort zone.
We gonna learn today, baby.
Yes, sir. So we have this camera and the two GoPros. We're gonna mount it up. And just so I have more than one perspective in it. So let's get into the video, baby. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Wait. Ah! Y'all better hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get into the video, baby. Ah!
What's up, Dad?
What are we doing, man?
I'm gonna learn how to drive standard.
Oh, hell no. I'm sitting right here.
You're gonna watch from over there?
We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. I killed it. It's murder.
All right. Here you go,
I
Breezy.
killed it. It's murder.
Are you ready?
You got your keys to the
Yes,
whip.
sir. Oh. Okay. Let's go.
So I'm used to hopping in an automatic.
Okay, so first things first, put the car key in. Yep. And step.
on the brake, right?
You can step on the brake. Okay, Breeze, so foot, clutch all the way down. This one has it on the brake. Yes, sir. Okay, you know how to turn off and on the car. You feel comfortable with it?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Oh, you stalled down! No, you stalled down. Okay, how you feeling right now?
Well, now that I stalled out, I'm like, all right, this is a little bit real.
Okay, but you got it, right?
I got it.
Yes, sir. Let's get it, Breezy. Clutch all the way in. Car is on. First gear. Let it down, Breezy.
All right. So release the clutch when you're
Release
at
the clutch.
halfway of one. Then I start giving it gas.
Give it some gas, and then you can get completely off the clutch. Gas, 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 gas. Yeah, you saved it.
All right.
You saved it. Okay, Breezy. Now, clutch is all the way down. Put the clutch all the way down. Now you're going to second gear because you're above about 15 miles per hour. Wow, you did that like a natural. Foot is completely off the clutch. Now gas it. Okay, you're driving this thing. Yes, sir.
Right.
You're a natural, Breezy.
Right,
you are a natural.
I stalled out a couple times, but I got it now.
Okay, how you feeling?
I think I had my foot on the brake, so I was messing up, but I'm feeling good.
And if you watch the YouTube video, you'll learn how to drive standard.
All right, so
Okay.
clutch down.
Clutch is all the way down and put it in neutral.
Neutral.
And now you can stop the car without stalling out. Guys, ain't nobody said I was a great teacher, but how do you feel, Breezy?
I know how to drive a manual now,
Yes,
baby. Thank you, Dad.
Guys, if you haven't met them already, this is Breezy, this is my dad. You can call him Sean. That's the fam. Anyways, guys, let me know what the next adventure should be. Joseph McMahon is signing out, and as always, let's get it!
Burn it down. I killed it. It's murder. I killed it. It's murder. I killed it. It's murder.